بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The second way, which is more difficult, to prepare the package of your algorithm, then become more flexible, because in this way we need to compress the new algorithm as a package, then add it to Weka home without change Weka to jar file as a whole, as in the first step. So we have to create a temp folder, for example, under the C or any place. Then go to Google and write wiki. Go to home Weka website and write here build underscore package.xml. Press enter. Click on how are packages structured and for the package management system. Download the files description.props and build underscore package.xml. After download, go to downloads to be sure. Okay. Now open description file. This is the field are required to be filled. Package name, for example, version, building date, title for your published paper, category for classification, author, your name, maintainer, and your algorithm description, and the journal of your paper. Okay. Now copy description file and build package to the temp folder. Create a new folder, lib library, and new folder Weka, and copy from my Weka meta information and into Weka folder create your algorithm. Let's see, layers, and subcategory trees, and copy the class file of your algorithm. From classifiers, trees, folder, and main file. Paste. Okay. Then compress these two folders with your algorithm name, jar, okay, and delete these two folders and copy all the files, or select all the files, then add to archive or add to archive with B your algorithm as a capital letter. Okay. Delete. Check up the files are complex. Okay. Okay, now adding your package or algorithm in Weka home or the original copy of Weka. Okay, tools, package manager, to add your algorithm. File, browse. This is the package. Select OK. Okay. You have to restart Weka after. Package installed successfully. Press on ready button installed. We see your algorithm. Close, close, and run Weka again. Okay, Explorer. Open file. Program files. Data. Okay. Class. Open. Classify. Choose. You can see your algorithm here. Just your algorithm added to the original copy. Okay, to delete or uninstall the algorithm, go to package manager, press uninstalled, and press here uninstall. Yes. Okay. Restart. Weka again. Specify. Please. There is no algorithm. I hope that you have enjoyed in this video and find yourself in the success way to start your project easily.